Good evening, children. How are you doing? I hope you all are doing fine, right? Doing good, right? In today's lesson, we'll learn few more words. Start with B. Okay? Start with B. You know, this is capital letter B and this is small letter B, right? So let's learn the words. Okay? This is bat. This is also bat and this is also bat, right? This is an animal and this is a playing tools. You know, this is a cricket bat, right? So what will be the spelling here? B-A-T, bat. Okay, once again, B-A-T, bat. Okay, next here, this is ball, right? The word ball start with B or begins with B, right? B-A-L-L, ball. Okay, okay, great. Now here, this is balloon, right? This is balloon. B-A-L-L-O-O-N, balloon. Once again, B-A-L-L-O-O-N, balloon. Okay, listen to me. Okay, listen to me carefully. Okay, after watching this video, after learning this, I will take an evaluation. Okay, great. Now see here, this is butterfly, beautiful butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. F-L-Y, fly, butterfly, right? Once again, B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. F-L-Y, fly, butterfly, right? Now here, what is this? Yes, this is bread, right? B-R-E-A-D, bread, bread, right? B-R-E-A-D, bread. Okay, now here, what is this? Yes, this is bee, right? This is bee, B-E-E, bee. Okay, now here, what can you see here? Yes, this is bot, right? This is bot, B-O-A-T, bot, B-O-A-T, bot. Okay, now here, yes, the man riding bicycle, right? B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle. B-I by C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle, right? Okay, next, this is bear, B-E-A-R, bear. Okay, and here, yes, these are bananas, right? The cat eating banana, B-A-N-A and B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. So simple, banana, right? And here, these are the words. B, bear, pet, ball, book, pot, bread, banana, right? Bicycle, balloon, right? Once again, read the words. B, bear, pet, ball, book, pot, bread, banana, bicycle, balloon. Okay, repeat after me. B, bear, pet, ball, book, pot, bread, banana, bicycle, balloon. Right? Now, your turn to read one by one. Okay, I will show the picture one by one. You have to identify what is this. Raise your hand. Children, raise your hand. Gaurav, you first raise your hand. Quick. Gaurav, raise your hand. Okay, great. Okay, Gaurav, am I audible to you? Clearly, properly?
Bat,
Okay, this is bat, right? Bat. Now, what is this?
ball,
Ball. Okay, great. Here,
balloon,
balloon, right? This is balloon. What can you see here?
butterfly,
Butterfly.
bread,
Great.
bee,
E.
boat,
What? Very good.
bicycle,
Bicycle. Beer.
bear,
Yes.
banana,
Banana, right? That means you know the words in English. Now your turn to read the word. Read the words. Can you read the words? Read.
B.
Beer.
Bear. Bat.
Yes.
Ball.
Book.
Book.
Pot.
Got. Bread. Banana.
Yes. Bicycle.
Bicycle.
Balloon. Right?
Balloon.
Great. Well, try. Now let's write the words in cursive letter. Okay. B beer bat. Right? See how to write? This is capital letter B and this is small letter B. Right? Now see. B-E-A-R. Beer. B-E-A-R. Beer. Right? B. B-E-E. Right? B-E-E. B. Right? Bat. B-A-T. Right? How to connect? B-A-T. Bat. Okay? Now, ball, book, pot. Ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. Right? Bat. B-A-T. Bat. Right? Book. B-O-O-K. Book. Right? How to write the letter one by one? B-A-L-L. Ball. B-O-O-K. Book. Right? Isn't it? Then bot. B-O-A-T. Bot. Is it okay? Now the next word is red. Banana. Right? B-R-E-A-T. Red. Right? Connect the letters. B-R-E-A-T. Red. This is how we should write the words in cursive letter. Okay? Now what left? Banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Right? Here the letters are not connected. Let's connect the letter. Okay? B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Right? And what next? The next words are bicycle and balloon. Okay? Bicycle. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E. Bicycle. How to connect the letters? B-I-C-Y-C-L-E. Bicycle. Right? Balloon. Next word is balloon. B-A-L-L-O-O-N. Balloon. Right? Balloon. Okay? Now, how to connect the letters? B-A-L-L-O-O-N. Balloon. Okay? Great. Very good. Now let's move to the next portion. Okay? Here, which are the letter B, not A? Okay, B. Which is letter B? This is B. This one B. This one B. This one B. Right? Here in the second row, this one B, this one B, this one B, this one B, this one B. Right? And here, what to do? Here you need to do, help the B to find his letter. Right? This is B. Okay? We have to help him. Which letter for B? This is, right? This letter is for B. Right? Now, let's move to the Next question, fill in the missing letter. B, A, des, A, N, des, right? Now, raise your hand. Okay. Now tell me, Gaurav, B, A, des, A. What letter is missing here? And what will be the word? Can you identify, Gaurav? Here it is N.
N.
N, right? And what will be the last letter? B-A-N-A, N, A, banana, right?
Banana.
Yeah, banana. Now the word is banana. Let's move to the next word. P-U-T, not des, P-E, right? So can you identify the word? What will be the letter here? What are the missing letters here?
Bread.
This is not bread. Let's find the word. Okay. B-U-T-T-E-R. Butter. Butter bread.
Butter.
Bread and butter. Butter. B-U-T-T-E-R. Butter. Okay. Banana. The next word is butter. And the third word is B-A-L-L. S. And what will be the word here? And what are the missing letters here? Tell me.
Balloon.
Yes, the word will be balloon. Then what are the missing letter here? What are the missing letter? Missing letters are O.
O.
Balloon, right? B-A-L-L-O-O-N. Balloon, right? So what are the words here? Banana, butter, balloon, right? Now next, move to the next questions. Now we have to match the following, okay? Now Gaurav, tell me, what word is this?
Ball.
Ball. Okay. So what is the ball? First, second, third. Which one ball here?
Third.
Yes, third one is the ball here, right? So this is the correct one. Then what are the next word?
B.
B. So where is the B here? First, second, third.
Pass.
First one is the B here. Okay, great. And here, what word is this?
Boat.
Bot. So what is the bot here?
Second.
Second one is the bot here, right? Obviously, it will be second one, right? Very good. So ball, B, and bot. These are the words here. Very good. Now we have to form words. Okay. Here, which letter is this, Gaurav? Which letter is this? B. Okay. Here,
L.
this one,
I.
L. Okay.
L.
Okay. Here.
A.
Okay.
A.
Good.
O.
Good. Now, can you form words using this letter?
Ball.
B-A-L-L. Ball. Good. I'm helping you, okay? B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. B-A-N-A. You can take one word 2 or 3 times. Okay. Here I take A 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 3 times I have taken, right? And N also 2 times, right? B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. And you told ball. Ball also correct. Okay. Ball. This is your word. Very good. And you can write book.
Book.
B-O-O-K. Book. Right? So what are the words here, Gaurav? Tell me. What is the word here? What is the first word? Banana.
Banana.
Yes. Next.
Ball.
Ball.
Book.
Book. Right. Very good. Now correct the words. Bear.
Bear.
Right? Right. Bhalu. Bear. And what will be the second word here? The correct word will be
Butter.
bread.
Bread.
Bread. Yes. B-R-E-A-D. Bread. And what will be the last word here? Can you identify?
Bicycle.
Yes, bicycle. Very good. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, right? Beer, bread, bicycle. Very good. And here I am giving you 8 words one by one. You have to tell me what words is this. Okay? Read this word. Read. I will give you 8 marks.
book,
Good. Book.
ball,
Good. Ball.
beat,
E. Good. Beer.
bear,
Yes. Bot.
bot,
Bot. Yes.
bot, banana,
No. Ballon. Balloon.
balloon,
Yes.
bat,
Bat. Butterfly. Right?
butterfly,
Yes, butterfly. Read once again. Read once again.
book, ball, beat, bear,
Bot.
bot, balloon, bat, butterfly,
Butterfly. Well try, girl. Well try. Now you have to tell me 5 words start with B. Tell me one by one. Any words start with B?
beat,
Pet. Okay. Then what next?
bat,
Pet.
bot,
What?
butterfly,
Butterfly.
bear,
Yes, bear. Very good. Well try. I have written here B. Beer. Book.
banana,
Ball. Balloon. Yes, banana also correct, right? At last, I am going to give you 35 out of 30. Very good, Gaurav. Thank you for cooperating along with Gaurav, right? I hope you enjoyed these lessons. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.